Before we jump in, subscribe for more quick audio and tech troubleshooting videos. If your Bluetooth speaker is connected but you still have no sound, the issue is usually the audio output setting, device volume, or a bad connection session. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes to get sound playing again without wasting time. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Turn the Bluetooth speaker volume up. Some speakers have their own separate volume controls, so make sure both the speaker and the device volume are raised. Step 2. Check the volume on your phone, tablet, or computer. Sometimes media volume is low even if the device is connected. Step 3. Confirm the speaker is selected as the audio output. Your device may still be sending sound to its own speakers or another Bluetooth device. Step 4. Disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off and back on, then reconnect the speaker. Step 5. Forget the device and pair it again. Removing and repairing the speaker can fix stuck audio routing issues. Step 6. Pause and replay the media. Sometimes apps need to be restarted to send audio to the newly connected speaker. Step 7. Restart both devices. Power cycle the speaker and the phone, tablet, or computer you are using. Step 8. Check if another device is stealing the connection. If the speaker was recently paired with another device nearby, it may reconnect there instead. If the Bluetooth speaker still connects with no sound after trying these fixes, the issue may be with the speaker hardware or the Bluetooth profile on the source device. Subscribe for more Bluetooth, speaker, and audio troubleshooting videos.